Welcome to the world of operations management. In today's fast-paced business environment, operations management plays a crucial role in ensuring that organizations run smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're in manufacturing, services, or technology, understanding operations is key to delivering value to customers and staying competitive. In this video, we'll explore the core concepts, strategies, and tools that define operations management. From process optimization to quality control, get ready to discover how operations shape the backbone of every successful business. Let's begin our journey by understanding what operations management truly means. Operations management is all about designing, overseeing, and improving business processes. It involves coordinating resources like people, materials, and technology to produce goods or deliver services efficiently. The goal is to maximize productivity while minimizing costs and waste. Operations managers analyze workflows, set performance standards, and ensure that every part of the process aligns with organizational goals. By focusing on continuous improvement, they help businesses adapt to changing market demands and technological advancements. Now, let's look at the key functions within operations management. Core functions of operations management include planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Planning involves setting objectives and determining the best way to achieve them. Organizing means arranging resources and tasks to implement the plan. Leading is about motivating and guiding teams to perform at their best. Controlling ensures that everything stays on track by monitoring performance and making necessary adjustments. Each function is interconnected, creating a cycle of continuous improvement that drives operational excellence. Next, we'll dive into the importance of process design. Process design is a fundamental aspect of operations management. It involves mapping out the steps required to produce a product or deliver a service. A well-designed process ensures efficiency, reduces errors, and enhances customer satisfaction. Operations managers use tools like flowcharts and process maps to visualize workflows and identify bottlenecks. By continuously refining processes, organizations can respond quickly to changes and maintain high standards of quality. Let's explore how capacity planning fits into the bigger picture. Capacity planning determines the amount of resources needed to meet demand. It's about balancing supply with customer needs, ensuring that production levels are neither too high nor too low. Operations managers analyze historical data, forecast future demand, and adjust resources accordingly. Effective capacity planning helps avoid overproduction, reduces costs, and prevents delays. It's a dynamic process that requires constant monitoring and flexibility. Next, we'll look at the role of inventory management in operations. Inventory management is about controlling the flow of materials and products. It ensures that the right items are available at the right time, without tying up too much capital in stock. Operations managers use techniques like just-in-time, JIT, and economic order quantity (EOQ) to optimize inventory levels. Proper inventory management reduces storage costs, minimizes waste, and improves cash flow. It's a balancing act that requires careful planning and real-time data. Now let's discuss the importance of supply chain management. Supply chain management connects suppliers, manufacturers, and customers. It's about coordinating the movement of goods, information, and finances across the entire network. Operations managers work to build strong relationships with suppliers, streamline logistics, and ensure timely delivery. Effective supply chain management reduces lead times, lowers costs, and enhances customer satisfaction. It also helps organizations respond quickly to disruptions and market changes. Next, we'll explore the significance of quality management in operations. Quality management ensures that products and services meet or exceed customer expectations. It involves setting quality standards, monitoring performance, and implementing continuous improvement initiatives. Tools like Total Quality Management, TQM, and Six Sigma help organizations identify defects and eliminate waste. By focusing on quality, operations managers build trust with customers and strengthen the company's reputation. Quality management is not a one-time effort but an ongoing commitment. Let's move on to discuss process improvement techniques. Process improvement is at the heart of operations management. It's about analyzing current workflows, identifying inefficiencies, and implementing changes to boost productivity. Techniques like Lean, Kaizen, and Six Sigma are widely used to streamline operations and eliminate waste. Continuous process improvement leads to cost savings, faster delivery, and higher quality. Operations managers encourage a culture of innovation and empower employees to suggest improvement. Next, we'll look at the importance of technology in modern operations. Technology has transformed operations management in recent years. From automation and robotics to data analytics and artificial intelligence, new tools are making processes faster and more efficient. Operations managers leverage technology to monitor performance, predict trends, and make data-driven decisions. Digital transformation also enables better communication and collaboration across teams. As technology continues to evolve, staying updated is essential for maintaining a competitive edge. Now let's discuss the importance of effective communication in operations. Communication is the glue that holds operations together. Clear and timely communication ensures that everyone understands their roles and responsibilities. Operations managers use meetings, reports, and digital tools to share information and coordinate activities. Effective communication reduces misunderstandings, speeds up decision-making, and fosters teamwork. It's especially important in complex operations with multiple teams and stakeholders. Next, we'll explore the role of leadership in operations management. Strong leadership is vital for successful operations management. Leaders set the vision, inspire teams, and drive change. They make strategic decisions, resolve conflicts, and create a positive work environment. Operations managers must balance short-term goals with long-term strategy, adapting to new challenges as they arise. Good leaders also invest in employee development and recognize achievements. Leadership is about guiding the team towards operational excellence. Now let's look at how performance measurement supports operations management. Measuring performance is essential to track progress and identify areas for improvement. Operations managers use key performance indicators, KPIs, such as productivity, quality, and customer satisfaction to evaluate success. Regular monitoring helps detect problems early and supports data-driven decision-making. Performance measurement also motivates teams by providing clear goals and feedback. By analyzing results, organizations can refine strategies and achieve better outcomes. Next, we'll discuss the importance of customer focus in operations. Customer focus is at the core of operations management. Every process from product design to delivery should aim to meet or exceed customer expectations. Operations managers gather feedback, analyze customer needs, and adapt processes accordingly. Satisfied customers are more likely to return and recommend the business to others. By prioritizing customer satisfaction, organizations build loyalty and gain a competitive advantage. Now, let's explore how sustainability is integrated into modern operations. Sustainability is becoming increasingly important in operations management. Organizations are adopting eco-friendly practices to reduce waste, conserve resources, and minimize environmental impact. Operations managers implement recycling programs, energy-efficient processes, and sustainable sourcing. These efforts not only benefit the planet, but also enhance the company's reputation and reduce costs. Sustainability is now a key factor in attracting customers and investors. Next, we'll look at risk management in operations. Risk management involves identifying, assessing, and mitigating potential threats to operations. These risks can include supply chain disruptions, equipment failures, or market fluctuations. Operations managers develop contingency plans and implement controls to minimize the impact of unexpected events. Proactive risk management ensures business continuity and protects assets. It also builds resilience, enabling organizations to recover quickly from setbacks. Now, let's discuss the importance of project management in operations. Project management is a key component of operations management. It involves planning, executing, and closing projects to achieve specific goals within a set timeframe and budget. Operations managers use project management tools to allocate resources, track progress, and manage risks. Effective project management ensures that initiatives are completed on time and deliver the desired results. It also promotes collaboration and accountability among team members. Next, we'll explore the role of innovation in operations. Innovation drives continuous improvement in operations management. By adopting new technologies, processes, and ideas, organizations can stay ahead of the competition. Operations managers encourage creativity and experimentation, fostering a culture where employees feel empowered to suggest changes. Innovation leads to greater efficiency, higher quality, and better customer experiences. It's essential for adapting to market trends and overcoming challenges. Now, let's look at the importance of employee engagement in operations. Engaged employees are the backbone of effective operations management. When team members are motivated and involved, productivity and morale soar. Operations managers create a positive work environment by recognizing achievements, offering growth opportunities, and encouraging open communication. Engaged employees are more likely to contribute ideas and support organizational goals. Investing in employee engagement leads to lower turnover and higher performance. Next, we'll discuss the impact of globalization on operations. Globalization has expanded the reach of operations management. Organizations now operate in multiple countries, sourcing materials and serving customers worldwide. This brings new opportunities and challenges, such as managing diverse teams, navigating regulations, and coordinating global supply chains. Operations managers must adapt strategies to different markets and cultures. Globalization also drives innovation and increases competition. Let's move on to discuss the importance of ethical practices in operations. Ethical practices are essential in operations management. Organizations are expected to act responsibly, treating employees, customers, and suppliers fairly. Operations managers establish codes of conduct, ensure compliance with laws, and promote transparency. Ethical operations build trust and protect the company's reputation. They also reduce the risk of legal issues and foster long-term relationships. Now, let's explore the role of data analytics in operations management. Data analytics is transforming operations management by providing valuable insights into processes and performance. Operations managers collect and analyze data to identify trends, forecast demand, and optimize resources. Advanced analytics tools enable real-time monitoring and support better decision-making. By leveraging data, organizations can improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance customer satisfaction. Data-driven operations are more agile and responsive to market changes. Next, we'll discuss the importance of continuous learning in operations. Continuous learning is vital for staying competitive in operations management. The business environment is constantly evolving, with new technologies, regulations, and market trends emerging. Operations managers invest in training and development to keep skills up to date. Encouraging a learning culture helps employees adapt to change and drive innovation. Continuous learning also supports career growth and job satisfaction. Now, let's look at how collaboration enhances operations management. Collaboration is key to successful operations management. Teams work together to solve problems, share knowledge, and achieve common goals. Operations managers foster collaboration by promoting open communication, building trust, and encouraging cross-functional teamwork. Collaborative environments lead to better decision-making and faster problem-solving. They also enhance creativity and employee satisfaction. Next, we'll discuss the role of automation in streamlining operations. Automation is revolutionizing operations management by reducing manual tasks and increasing efficiency. Technologies like robotics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning automate repetitive processes, freeing up employees for higher value work. Operations managers implement automation to improve accuracy, speed, and consistency. Automation also reduces errors and lowers operational costs. As automation becomes more advanced, it's important to balance technology with human skill. Now let's explore the concept of lean operations. Lean operations focus on eliminating waste and maximizing value. The goal is to deliver products and services using the least amount of resources. Lean principles include identifying value from the customer's perspective, mapping the value stream, and creating continuous flow. Operations managers use tools like 5S, Kanban, and value stream mapping to streamline processes. Lean operations lead to faster delivery, lower costs, and higher quality. Next, we'll discuss the importance of flexibility in operations management. Flexibility allows organizations to adapt quickly to changes in demand, technology, or market conditions. Operations managers design flexible processes and systems that can handle variations without sacrificing efficiency. Flexibility is achieved through cross-training employees, modular equipment, and agile supply chains. It helps organizations respond to customer needs and seize new opportunities. Flexibility is a competitive advantage in today's dynamic business environment. Now let's look at the role of forecasting in operations management. Forecasting is the process of predicting future demand, sales, or trends. Operations managers use historical data, market analysis, and statistical models to make accurate forecasts. Reliable forecasting helps organizations plan production, allocate resources, and manage inventory effectively. It also reduces uncertainty and supports strategic decision-making. Forecasting is an ongoing process that requires regular updates and adjustment. Next, we'll discuss the importance of resource allocation in operations management. Resource allocation is about assigning the right resources to the right tasks at the right time. Operations managers balance labor, equipment, and materials to maximize efficiency and meet organizational goals. Effective resource allocation reduces waste, prevents bottlenecks, and ensures smooth operations. It requires careful planning, real-time monitoring, and the ability to adapt to changing conditions. Now, let's explore the concept of bottleneck management in operation. Bottlenecks are points in a process where the flow slows down, causing delays and reducing efficiency. Operations managers identify and address bottlenecks to optimize performance. Techniques include process redesign, adding capacity, or reallocating resources. Managing bottlenecks improves throughput and helps meet customer demand on time. It's an ongoing effort that requires regular analysis and adjustment. Next, we'll discuss the importance of standardization in operations management. Standardization involves creating uniform processes and procedures to ensure consistency and quality. Operations managers develop standard operating procedures, SOPs, and train employees to follow them. Standardization reduces errors, simplifies training, and makes it easier to scale operations. It also supports compliance with regulations and industry standards. By standardizing processes, organizations can deliver reliable products and services. Now let's look at the role of benchmarking in operations management. Benchmarking is the process of comparing your operations to industry best practices. Operations managers analyze competitors and leading organizations to identify performance gaps and improvement opportunities. Benchmarking helps set realistic goals and drives continuous improvement. It also encourages innovation by learning from others' successes. Regular benchmarking keeps organizations competitive and aligned with market standards. Next, we'll discuss the importance of cost control in operations management. Cost control is essential for maintaining profitability in operations management. Operations managers monitor expenses, identify cost-saving opportunities, and implement budget controls. Techniques include negotiating with suppliers, reducing waste, and optimizing processes. Effective cost control ensures that resources are used efficiently and supports long-term sustainability. It also enables organizations to offer competitive prices to customers. Now let's explore the concept of value chain management. Value chain management focuses on optimizing every step that adds value to a product or service. Operations managers analyze activities from raw material sourcing to final delivery, seeking ways to increase efficiency and reduce costs. By managing the value chain, organizations can deliver higher quality and better customer experiences. It also supports innovation and competitive advantage. Value chain management is a holistic approach that integrates all aspects of operation. Next, we'll discuss the importance of customer service in operations. Customer service is a critical part of operations management. It involves assisting customers before, during, and after a purchase to ensure satisfaction. Operations managers train staff, implement feedback systems, and resolve issues promptly. Excellent customer service builds loyalty and encourages repeat business. It also provides valuable insights for process improvement. Now, let's look at the role of compliance in operations management. Compliance ensures that operations adhere to laws, regulations, and industry standards. Operations managers develop policies, conduct audits, and provide training to ensure compliance. Non-compliance can result in legal penalties and damage to reputation. By maintaining high standards, organizations build trust with customers and regulators. Compliance is an ongoing process that requires vigilance and regular updates. Next, we'll discuss the importance of documentation in operations management. Documentation is vital for ensuring consistency and accountability in operations management. Operations managers create manuals, process maps, and records to guide employees and track performance. Good documentation supports training, compliance, and continuous improvement. It also makes it easier to transfer knowledge and onboard new team members. Accurate documentation is a foundation for operational excellence. Now, let's explore the concept of total productive maintenance. Total productive maintenance, TPM, aims to maximize equipment effectiveness and minimize downtime. Operations managers involve all employees in maintaining equipment, conducting regular inspections, and addressing issues proactively. TPM improves reliability, reduces costs, and extends the lifespan of assets. It also fosters a sense of ownership and teamwork among staff. Total productive maintenance is a key strategy for achieving operational excellence. Next, we'll discuss the importance of safety in operations management. Safety is a top priority in operations management. Operations managers implement safety protocols, provide training, and conduct regular inspections to prevent accidents. A safe workplace protects employees and reduces the risk of costly incidents. Safety also boosts morale and productivity. By fostering a culture of safety, organizations demonstrate their commitment to employee well-being. Now, let's look at the importance of adaptability in operations management. Adaptability is crucial for thriving in a constantly changing business environment. Operations managers encourage flexibility, embrace new technologies, and adjust processes to meet evolving needs. Adaptable organizations can respond quickly to market shifts, customer demands, and unexpected challenges. This agility supports long-term success and resilience. Adaptability is a mindset that should be cultivated at every level of the organization. Next, we'll discuss the importance of strategic alignment in operations management. Strategic alignment ensures that operations support the overall goals of the organization. Operations managers align processes, resources, and initiatives with the company's mission and vision. This alignment drives consistency, efficiency, and competitive advantage. It also helps prioritize projects and allocate resources effectively. Strategic alignment is achieved through regular communication and collaboration between departments. Now, let's explore the concept of continuous improvement in operations management. Continuous improvement is a core principle of operations management. It involves regularly evaluating processes, seeking feedback, and implementing changes to enhance performance. Operations managers foster a culture where everyone is encouraged to suggest improvements. Continuous improvement leads to higher quality, lower costs, and greater customer satisfaction. It's an ongoing journey that requires commitment and collaboration. Next, we'll discuss the importance of customer feedback in operations management. Customer feedback is a valuable resource for operations management. It provides insights into what's working and where improvements are needed. Operations managers collect feedback through surveys, reviews, and direct communication. Analyzing feedback helps identify trends and prioritize changes. By acting on customer input, organizations can enhance products, services, and overall satisfaction. Now, let's look at the importance of celebrating success in operations management. Celebrating success boosts morale and motivates teams to keep striving for excellence. Operations managers recognize achievements, reward outstanding performance, and share success stories. Celebrations can be as simple as a thank you note or as grand as a team event. Recognizing success fosters a positive work environment and encourages continuous improvement. It also strengthens team bonds and builds a culture of appreciation. Finally, let's summarize the key takeaways from our journey through operations management. We've covered the essential aspects of operations management, from process design and capacity planning to quality control and continuous improvement. Effective operations management is the backbone of every successful organization, driving efficiency, innovation, and customer satisfaction. By mastering these principles, you can help your organization thrive in a competitive world. Remember, operations management is a journey of ongoing learning and adaptation. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of operations management. Stay curious, keep improving, and lead your team to operational excellence.